What's up, guys? It is Lawrence again today, and I got super lucky for this latest shoe pickup. I obviously enter a lot of these raffles. Most of the time I do not win, and if you have a hookup out there, let me know, New York City. But for the most part, I don't win most of them, and I didn't get the Blazer Sacai's that I really wanted. They're the black and white ones, I guess. I do love the collab, and I luckily got I think the Legend Blue ones on resale, but I happily paid resale for these, and they're super dope. I love wearing them, and like they're just kind of, I don't know, they're just really cool. And I have a review of these, and so I'm not going to do a full review of the ones that I'm about to unbox in a second. I'll link that in the description below, and I think I'm going to put that little boxy thing over here if you want to see the full review of these. But this is a really cool shoe, and I'm just super stoked. During a re-raffle on sneakers and stuff, they randomly picked me, and I just got a random PayPal charge. I had no idea what it was, and a day later, almost like a day, I think it was only like 24 to 36 hours later, these were sitting at my lobby. So let's start with the unboxing. The box is super simple. It's that typical orange Nike box that you're used to. There is a glossy Nike symbol at the very top that dominates most of the top. And then you have a pull-out box, and finally the last really detail is the Nike is split into two different places instead of one place, so it's right here, as you can see, and then the other side of it finishes off right there. It's a slide-out box, and so let's get this opened. As soon as you pull it out, you have a, I assume that's going to say Nike and Sacai on there for the tissue paper. I would pull it all out, but I'm just kind of not interested in doing that. And here they are. Oh, these are a lot. Look at these guys. Oh, they're beautiful. This is the Nike X Sacai, and I believe, I don't even know what colors these are, but there's a black swoosh, gray swoosh. Really wearable shoe compared to, honestly, the Legend Blues. If you look at this really quickly, it's got that crazy stacked sole all over the place. That's all the way in the back. You have the Nike Sacai over here. You have this crazy midsole over here. Really cool. Let me see what else is in this box. The leather is really decent. I'd say it's definitely nicer than your typical Blazer, which really feels like synthetic leather. It actually might be synthetic leather. I'm not 100% sure. But let's see what else is in this box. You have the other shoe, and much like any other kind of sneaker, you can actually double lace them. What's kind of interesting about it is I thought there was like a special thing about these shoes, but honestly you can double lace almost any shoe. So it's interesting. I don't think they even made the holes much larger, so I implore you guys to play around with it. It also comes out with this darker gray over here if you want to put that on to have a much more kind of dark look. I would actually probably replace these with the lighter gray. And that's really about it. These are my first impressions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that type of good stuff. Give me that kush and alcohol. The double stacked everything, triple stacked everything. Really cool design. If you guys got a chance to cop a pair, awesome. Have you had your own crazy sneaker re-raffling? Leave that in the comments below. Would love to hear your stories. Which shoe was it? How did you get it? And do you still have them? That's really it for now. Until next time, this is the Nike Blazer and Sacai collaboration, done in the black, white, and gray colors. Until next time, peace.